Bobby is a trained professional. Don't try this at home. Whoa, what's going on, everybody? I had a crazy idea today to vlog, like good old-fashioned normal vlog. We're headed up to Los Angeles right now. The Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson fight is today. We're going to like a super chill little viewing. Can't call it a party because it's definitely not a party. Predictions. I met you at the first Jake Paul fight.
Yes.
I found the people I was supposed to find. Hello.
I was here since 7 o'clock.
Dude, you made it.
Yes.
This is our second Jake Paul fight together.
Watch me stop being friends today. We get enough.
Hopefully not.
No, hopefully not.
All right, predictions.
Jake, yeah.
Jake's gonna take it.
What about
Bell?
you?
Oh, I got Jake. Maverick thinks Nate.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm smacked.
Yeah, go hit him, bro. Go hit him. Who do you think's gonna win? Predictions.
Jake.
Predictions. Jake. We should all go beat Maverick. Trying to enjoy.
They getting turned. They getting big turn.
It's starting. Let's go! It's going down. Let's go! Initial thoughts. Oh.
Turn, ain't that what they say? You betcha.
I told you! First round! It's gonna be a knockout second round, watch!
There you go. Step. Oh, there's a fake from Jake.
What did I say?
Razzi outside came up to us. First thing you said, immediately, no hesitation, Jake's gonna win.
Predictions for the fight tonight.
Oh man.
Oh, Jake.
Jake, 100%.
Jake, 100%?
100%. Win.
Trouble on, taking off, look at me and I'm waking up. 17 and I call the shots, live out what I used to talk. Hustle used to diss me for my music, I've been watching now.
Yeah. Hey, be careful though. There is a ditch on like around that. So, famous last words. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that. Oh, not quite. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know how to prove this.
You haven't got one complete donut. Guys, don't forget, today's the last day for the Cyber Monday sale on T-Fox brand. 40% off the entire site. Last day. We only do this once a year, so get on it right now. Oh, he just broke it. He just broke the car.
The arm.
Oh, no, the arm. Not the arm, dude.
That is correct.
No way! No way! No f***ing way! No way, how did he do that? Bro, that was so clean.
I think we're gonna run that back.